Here's a very short snippet of a quick opening Hello World program in Programs. So I normally have the students add comments with a hashtag or a pound sign and have them add the name, the date, and the current block. And really quickly, we would add a print statement with our traditional Hello World. And then once we run it, this is our online compiler here, so we're able to run it and then allow Hello World to print. We can also have the students do a quick version where they could add their name, the date, then add the block, and give them an opening assignment where they could add some information like about me. So they'll be able to see that when we add print, it comes up in blue, which lets us know this is a keyword. And the information that we add in quotation marks will show up on the shell side, which is after you've debugged, so you'll be able to see everything that's printed using the quotation marks. Alrighty, thank you.